Honeybees are oval-shaped, approximately 15 millimeters long, and display a distinctive golden yellow colors and brown bands, primarily to warn predators of their ability to sting. Honeybees live in large colonies. These colonies are made up of 3 different types of adult bees: the queen, drones, and worker bees. What makes the honeybee stand out from the other insects? It is the only insect that produces a food, which we call honey, eaten by man. However, across America, the honeybees are starting to decline in population. This has raised alarm bells with scientists and beekeepers, as honeybees are the main type of bee that plays a significant role in pollinating the world's agricultural crops. The total number of managed honeybee colonies has decreased from 5 million in the 1940s to only 2.5 million today. In America, studies have shown scientists and beekeepers to have found a combination of factors, both human and environmental, that could result in the honeybees eventually becoming extinct in America, if not the world. The role that humans play in the decline is by using products such as toxic insecticides, pesticides, and herbicides, as well as being responsible for the loss of natural habitats for honeybees. The environment plays its part by creating things like climate change, winter, varroamite, hive beetles, nosema fungus, and diseases, which are all factors that play a part in the decline. Despite all these possible factors causing the dramatic decline of the American honeybee, there is a phenomenon occurring amongst honeybee colonies called the colony collapse disorder. Colony collapse disorder, which is syndrome defined as dead colony with no adult bees or dead bee bodies, but with a live queen and usually honey and immature bees still present. Available research suggests some symptoms of colony collapse disorder are rapid loss of adult worker bees, few or no dead bees found in a hive, presence of immature bees, small cluster of bees with live queen present, and pollen and honey stores in hive. These symptoms are in conjunction with the human and environmental factors. Scientists, researchers, and beekeepers believing these factors are contributing to colony collapse disorder. Unfortunately, no scientific cause for colony collapse disorder has been proven. It is important for mankind to know that honeybees perform approximately 80% of all pollination worldwide. Humans, agricultural crops, plants, and other species all depend on the honeybee to pollinate crops and plants in order to supply species with food and to reproduce plants and crops. Sadly, the future of mankind without honeybees looks extremely concerning. Humans would not become extinct without honeybees, but our diets would suffer tremendously, as well as our variety in food would diminish. Bee pollination is responsible for more than $15 billion a year in crop value, agreeing that with limited pollination of agricultural crops, food prices would rise in cost. Also, humans would see less plants and flowers, posing risk on other animals and insects and their life expectancies. It is extremely important that mankind saves the American honeybee population from potentially becoming extinct. There are a number of ways we can help this cause before it is too late. Supporting organizations and researchers such as Greenpeace, the Natural Resources and Defense Council, and the American Beekeeping Federation. Also by protesting against beekeepers or bee farmers using toxic pesticides, as well as making your own garden as bee-friendly as possible.